Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be decorating my desk for Halloween. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays and I like the color schemes of the orange and green and purple. So on my desk I have a couple things that I plan to decorate with. So the first thing is this dark green lace that I had in my craft box, and I plan to use this as like the wrapping around the sides of my desk. And over here are these spider rings from last year's Halloween party. And this pumpkin light that was from last Halloween, and it has a light inside of it if you can see it, but you can't really see it during the day. And the last thing is this pumpkin banner that I made. And if you guys want a video about how I made it, I can make it if you want to. So first I plan on wrapping the lace around the silver poles on my desk, and then maybe putting the spiders on top. So I'm going to start with the left side of my desk. So this is how it looks after I did both sides, and I really like it, but I think I'm going to add one more green spider at the bottom. I used tape to keep the lace intact, so it would be less noticeable since it's clear tape. So now after I put on the green spiders, I'm going to put the purple string at the top before the banner to give it like an orange and purple color combination, which I believe is one of the most Halloweenish colors to me. So this is the purple string, and I cut it in half because it was a little too long at first, and it has like frillies kinda on the sides. So I'm just going to put this on top of my desk. Okay, so now that I put the purple string on top, I'm going to put the pumpkin banner up. So this is how it looks so far with the lace around the sides of my desk and the spiders and the pumpkin banner. And there's some things that I need to fix. I'm going to cut the purple string a little more. So now I'm going to give you a quick overview before I add the pumpkin light to my desk. So here's the pumpkin light, and I'll probably put it right next to the bunny that's on my lamp if I can keep it balanced. And I like this pumpkin light because it just screams Halloween, and I think it's a nice addition, especially when I turn my lights off or it's nighttime. I can just light it up. So that's the end of my video, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me what your favorite thing to do on Halloween is. Okay, have a great day everyone. Bye.